So today is 22nd of August 2020. We'll be reciting text 2 onwards of chapter 9 of third canto Srimad Bhagavatam, which is entitled as Brahma's Prayer for Creative Energy. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudiraye Nashpraeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naishtuki Rupam Yadetad Abubudharasudayena Shashvanivrita Tamasa Sadhanugrahaya Ado Grihitam Avatara Sataika Vijam Yannabi Padmam Bhavanadahama Virasham Rupam, form, Yata, which, Etat, that Avarodha Rasha, of your internal potency, Uddayena, with the manifestation, Swaswat, forever, Nivritta, freed from, Tamasaha, material contamination, Sata Anugrahaya, for the sake of the devotee, the original in the creative energy of matter, Grihitam, accepted, Avatara of incarnation, Sata Eka Bijam, the root cause of hundreds, Yat, that which, Nabi Padmam, the navel lotus flower, Bhavanat, from the home, Aham, myself, Avirasamam, generated. Translation purport by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada Maharaj ki jai. The form, which I see, is eternally freed from material contamination, and thus has advantage to show mercy to the devotees as a manifestation of internal potency. This incarnation is the origin of many other incarnations, and I am born from the lotus flower grown from your navel home. Om Ajnana-Timirandhasya Jnananjana-Salakaya Chakshmritamenam Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Mena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Dadati Suvadantikam Bandeyam Sri Guru Shridhapadakamlam Sri Gurun Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidantam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakhanvitam Cha He Krishna Karna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagadapate Gopesa Gopika Kanto Radha Kanta Namastute Taptika Jana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangsha Kalpataru Vesha Kripa Sindhu Veva Cha Padita Nama Pavani Vaishnavi Namo Nama Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Namaha Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishta Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swami Nityanamane Namacharya Padaya Nitai Kripa Pradane Gorkatha Damadaya Nagar Gramtane Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishta Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Nityanamane Namaste Saraswati Gaurvani Paricharani Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Paseditani Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Rupam Vyadetadabubudharashodayena Shashvanivritta Tamashaha Sadanugrahaya Ado Grihitam Avatara Saktaika Vijam Yannavi Padmam Bhavanada Ahama Virasham. So we are hearing from Maitreya Rishi, and today Lord Brahma is speaking He is attesting to the Garbhodakshaya Vishnu, saying that the form which I see, Brahma could see, but not with the Charva Chakshu, with the Jnana Chakshu. Dadhami Divyam Te Chakshuhu. So Divya Chakshu was presented to Brahmaji and he could see. And what he saw is, my dear Lord, you are free from material contamination and you have appeared to show the mercy to the devotees as a manifestation of internal potency. Atma Mayaya. Lord says, Atma Mayaya. Through his Atma Mayaya, he says, I come Sambhavami Yuga Yuga. And he says, this incarnation is the origin of many other incarnations. All others are avatara. And Krishna is avatari. Avatari means the original from whom the many avatars comes. Yate chamsa kalapam sam Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam Indrar Vyakulam Loke Mirdayante Yuge Yuge. And he said, I, Brahma, is born from the lotus flower that has grown out from your navel. Earlier, 1,000 years of his endeavor, he couldn't see his origin. But now, after tapa, meditation on the Supreme Person of Godhead, he could see that he has come out from the navel. Let us see what Prabhupada says. The three deities, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, Shiva, the executive heads of the three modes of material nature, passion, goodness, and ignorance, are all generated from Garbhodakshaya Vishnu, who is described herein by Brahma. From the Kshirodakshaya Vishnu, many Vishnu incarnation expands at a different age in the duration of the cosmic manifestation. They are expended only for the transcendental happiness of the Vishnu Tattva, happiness of the pure devotees. The incarnation of Vishnu, who appears at the different ages and times, are never to be compared to the conditioned soul. The Vishnu Tattvas are not to be compared to the deities of like Brahma and Shiva, nor are they on the same level. Anyone who compares them is so-called Pakhandi or infidel. Tamasaha, mentioned herein, is the material nature, and the spiritual nature has a completely separate existence from tamaha. Therefore, spiritual nature is called abodha rasa or avarodha rasa. Avarodha means that which completely nullifies. In the transcendence, there is no chance of material contact by any means. Brahma, the first living being, therefore he mentions his birth from the lotus flower generated from the abdomen of Garbhodakshaya Vishnu. He said, Rupam yatetad. My dear Lord, the Rupa that you have, it is not material. Even the deities that we have, they are not material. He says, a stone, if carved out, pran pratishtha done, then he becomes or she becomes a deity. Because anyway, Krishna is everywhere, no doubt about it. But specifically in the temple, which is being served by the Pancharatrika Vidhi, with complete awe and reverence, following all the rules and regulation, it manifests. And therefore, going to the temple is beneficial for those who are looking for the Supreme Personal Godhead. Another word is Sada Anugrahaya. Is the Anugraha of Krishna that he appears. Yada Yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata. Whenever there is a glani, he says he come. Basic reason is paritranaya. He can do it by his own energy, but personally he wants to take care of the devotees. Sadhunam. Vinasaya duskritam. Now Vinasaya, Lord does not need to come. His energy is more than enough to devour them. But some of these demons, once upon a time, they were really devotee of the Lord. Once upon a time, they're the devotee of the Lord. And that's why Lord also come to deliver them, to destroy their mentality. Body has to be destroyed anyway, to destroy their demonic mentality. And he comes. Dharma sansthapanartham. Now he wants to establish dharma. And what is dharma? Savai pumsam paro dharmo yathor bhaktir adokshche. Dharma is to establish the relationship between the jiva and Paramatma or Bhagavan. Otherwise, there is no need. And Krishna is Bijam. Aham Bija Pradha Pita. I am everything for the Lord. And what he does? Hirdadesi Arjuna Tishtati. And then Brahmayan Sarva Bhutani. Who are put in the Brahma? Those who want to get bewildered. But the devotees are never in Brahma. They are fully surrendered to the Lord. Rakhe Krishna Mare Krishna Rakhe Ke. Simply full faith. And then they enjoy the life. So here, Brahma has seen the Rupa. He known that he is the source of everything. And he has also seen his own source. Now as Brahma was lucky enough to see the source, so by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, we have also come to know our source. Our source is Krishna. Originally. And then because of so many Brahma that we have created, we degraded, and we have come in this own form. But even, bade bhag manas tan pava, sudurlabha sab granthan gava. Fortunate are those jivas who get the human form. Bade bhag. One must be very fortunate enough to get the human body. And in the human body, if they get a chance to do devotional service, and if they could do the devotional service, then it's the perfection of the life. Otherwise, total waste. So, Brahmaji could understand the factual position of Garbhodakshay Vishnu, which is the portion of Krishna. But yet the vision he could see Krishna also. He said, you are the origin of all. And that statement is a perfect statement. So let us take to the text 3 also. Nataha param yad bhavat swarupam ananda matram avilkam avidyvarchah pashyami vishwa srijamekam avishwam atmana bhutendriyatmaka madast upasrito asmi saha na do not ata param hereafter paramam o supreme yat that which bhavataha of your lordship Swarupam, eternal form, Anandamatram, impersonal Brahman effulgence, Avikalpam, without change, Avidya virtue, without deterioration of potency. Pashyami, do I see? Vishwasrajam, creator of the cosmic manifestation. Ekam, one without a second. Avishwam, and yet not of matter. Atmana, O supreme cause. Bhuta, body. Indriya, senses. Atmaka, one which, one such, no, on such identification. Madaha, pride. Te, unto you. Upasritaha, surrender. Asmi, I am. Translate purport. O my Lord, I do not see a form superior to your present form of eternal bliss and knowledge. In your impersonal Brahma effulgence in the spiritual sky, there is no occasional change and no deterioration of the internal potency. I surrender unto you because whereas I am proud of my material body and senses, your Lord is the cause of cosmic manifestation, and yet you are untouched by matter. So let's go directly to the purport. As stated in Bhagavad Gita 18.55, Bhaktya mam abhijananti yavanyachasmi tattvataha. The Supreme Personal Godhead can only be partially known and only by the process of devotional service to the Lord. Lord Brahma became aware of the Supreme Lord Krishna has many eternal blissful form of knowledge. He has described such expansion of the Supreme Lord Govinda in Brahma Samhita 5.33 as follows. Advaitam achyutam anadim anantarupam adhyam purana purusham navayoganam cha Vide sudurlabam adurlabam atma bhakto Govindam adi purusham tamaham bhajami Govindam adi purusham tamaham bhajami. I worship Govinda, the primeval Lord, who is non-dual and infallible. He is the original cause of all causes. Even though he expands in many forms, although he is the oldest personality, he is ever youthful, unaffected by old age. The Supreme Personal Godhead cannot be known by the academic wisdom of the Vedas. One has to approach the devotee of the Lord to understand him. The only way to understand the Lord as He is by devotional service to the Lord, or by approaching a devotee of the Lord who always has the Lord in his heart. Now, what is devotional service? Seeing Krishna, talking about Krishna, thinking about Krishna, preaching about Krishna, reading about Krishna, dreaming about Krishna, working for Krishna is a devotional service. By conversing with the fellow-minded devotees is a devotional service. Having full faith on Krishna that He is my protector and He will never let me down. He has already promised. Name bhakta pranashyati. Never lost. Now, if He has said this, why should we be worrying at all? But no, we have a nature to worry. And worry in such a nice way, we always think negative. Always negative. You know why? Because that's what has happened with us from time immemorial. We've been in the material world. We have seen the consequences. And every time was padam padam bipadam. So therefore even We may not have experience in the body, in this body, but generally within the mind we know. Generally, bad things do happen to the people around us. So thinking as such, we don't want to think properly, nicely. Whenever every one of us always get a chance in the morning, would you like to hear the chance? We get a chance either to continue sleeping and keep dreaming in the morning. Either continue sleeping and keep dreaming, or the second chance, get up and chase your dreams. First one is keep sleeping and dreaming, and the second one is get up and chase your dream. But most of us, we fall in the first category, sleep and dream. And that's why it's very, very difficult to become a devotee of the Lord. So one has to approach really a spiritual master, tad vidhi pranipatena paripasnena sevaya upadeksanti jnanam jnaninas tattva darshana. Prabhupada says in the last paragraph, the only way to understand the Lord is as He is by devotional service to the Lord, or by approaching the devotee of the Lord who always has the Lord in his heart. By devotional perfection, one can understand that the impersonal Brahmajyoti is only a partial representation of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna, and that the three Purushas expansion in the material creation are his plenary portion. In the spiritual sky of the Brahmajyoti, there is no change of the various kalpas or the millenniums, and there are no creative activities in the Vaikuntha world. Na tadvhasate suryo, na sasanko na pavakaha, yad gatva na nivartante, tadhama paramam mama. Prabhupada further says, in the spiritual sky of the Brahmajyoti, I've read it, there is no change of the various kalpas and millennium, and there are no creative activities in the Vaikuntha world. The influence of the time inconspicuous by its absence, the rays of the transcendent body of the Lord, the unlimited Brahmajyoti are undeterred by the influence of the material energy. In the material world also, the initial creator is the Lord Himself. He brings about the creation of Brahma, who becomes the subsequent creator empowered by the Lord. So everything by Krishna, by His energy, by His guidance. Lord has said in Srimad Bhagavatam, Pivanti ye bhagavad atmana satam kathamritam saranaputeshu sambritam punanti te visaya vidushitasayam brajanti tacharana saruruhantikam. Those who drink through the oral reception, fully filled with the nectarian message of Lord Sri Krishna, the beloved of the devotees, purify the polluted aim of life known as material enjoyment, and thus go back to Godhead, to the lotus feet of Him, the personality of Godhead. So, Pivanti ye bhagavata atmanam satam. And what Pivanti? Kathamritam. How? Not by with the mouth. Sravana puteshu shambhritam. Sarvatam sokata Krishna. And this way, we can perfect the life. We can perfect the human existence that we have been awarded with. And it's very easy, very simple, very easy to perform. Very easy to get into it. Simply having the desire. If you have a desire, you can achieve. You will certainly achieve. So don't keep dreaming that I will do this, I will do that, I will do that. No, Uttishta, Jagrata. Do it now. Idani, kartum arhati. Now the time to do it. Even when you go to the bed, keep chanting and go to the bed. Then you will dream only about Krishna. But if you don't, then the mind will take you for the ride. So with this, I'll come to the conclusion of my talk. Thank you very much for giving me a chance to be with you. Hare Krishna. So as usual, we had announced last class, we'll be venturing into Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 4. We'll be starting from chapter 1 of Canto 4. There are 1,419 shlokas. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, some translations are very big, some are very small. So I leave to the organizer whether you want to give a chance to read 10 sloka each or 5 slokas each. We leave it to you. How best you can organize, how best you want to do it. So I heard, if I'm not wrong, that the baton has been passed on to Kishore Vasu Prabhu to do the organization and to help the devotees to recite Srimad Bhagavatam. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.